Everyone is telling you to connect AI to auto-reply to clients. That is a terrible idea. The moment AI hallucinate and promise a client 90% of discount, you lose thousands of dollars. But what if you could have a speed of AI with the safety of human oversight? In this video, I'm going to build an advanced n8n workflow that acts as an 24/7 AI sales trap. It reads inbound leads using an AI model, draft a custom proposal, then crucially send it to Slack channel where you just click approve or deny of the email. Let me show you the architect and then we'll build by step by step. Most n8n tutorials online are just basic. They use native nodes to move the data point A to B, and we are going to build an enterprise grade system. Here is the flow. A potential client fill out a form on our website with their project details. The webhook catches this in n8n. We pass the data to this code node which will catch obvious spam and fake emails. After the code node, we add a if node for if the data have fake emails, it will do nothing. Execution stop. If the data have a real email and quality lead, it will proceed to basic LLM chain. In this LLM with a strict system prompt to output a structured JSON proposal and calculate a price based on our internal rag. Then after that, basic LLM chain transfer the data to PDF generator. So injecting the AI output variables into HTML template and convert into a binary PDF attachment file inside n8n. Then after that, we send an interactive block get message to Slack like this to decline or approve, and this is a wait node till the human accept the request. And after that, there's another if node. If the owner decline the proposal, it will went to CRM or Google Sheet, and if he accept the proposal, it will send to Gmail to the person with price and a proposal drafted email. So this is called a human in loop system. It's how Fortune 500 companies deploy AI. Let's just jump into n8n canvas. Okay, we are going to start with a webhook, but we are using n8n default form generator. Now we are going to add a code node. Let's just fill the form. You have to click on element. So the first thing is we are going to add a customer name and keep the element type same as it. And we click on another element. Now we type here email. We have to do it again. Here we have to add a project details, and that's it. Close this node and go to code in JavaScript 2. Now go to code in JavaScript node. We have to clear this out. We're gonna ask AI to write a code for us. Okay, so my AI has generated a code, which is this, which is gonna qualify the lead. Now we're going to add a if node. I have tested and pinned the data, so we don't need to do it again and again. Now let's just run the test node. Now let's just run the code node, and you can see it's worked perfectly. Set true. So let's just go to if node, and you have to type this, like drag and drop this and execute this. It should go to okay, it's going to false. Just have to click on true. Now it will go to true if you run that again like this. Now you have to add an AI node. You can use an AI node, AI agent node, or a basic LLM. For now, I'm using a basic LLM node. In this, you have to click this and click on define below. And here you have to drag and drop all of these to in this. I'm just copying pasting right now. You have to click on add prompt. Here you have to select system prompt and you have to give a prompt. You can generate from an AI. I'm also going to do that. So I have generated and I'll just simply copy paste. And let me show you what it's saying. Extract the client core problem, eliminate a price. Extract the client's core problem, estimate a price between 100 and 5,000 based on a complexity. And draft a professional proposal email, return strict raw JSON object and key problem summary. So it's going to just work like that, and you have to close. And so right now you have to provide it a LLM. We're going to use Gemini for now. So now you have to add another code node. Let me tell you why. Because sometimes it's just because of maybe prompt, or maybe it's not an agent. So sometimes it don't like output in a specific way. You just miss sometimes. Let me show you. Okay, so we're using ChatGPT's model because we don't have the Gemini API right now. So now let me run it again. Okay, just give us an output, which you can see everything is mixed in. So for that we are using a code node. and you have to use AI to again write the code. Okay, so I have generated the code. Let me copy paste it really quick and hit on execute. So right now you can see it just separate all of that, like the subject and body and also price. After that, we're going to add a Google Drive node. Here you have to select copy file. So you have to set up the credential, and then on your drive, I have made a free template, document template. Let me show you that really quick on Google document, and this is the template right here. Let's go back to n8n. So in the form you can see right here the customer name. We have to drag and drop and put it right here, customer name. And let's close this, and we have to add another node which is called update a document. Search Google, and here you can see update a document. Click on this. Here you have to paste the ID of your document. You have to go to document and then select your ID from here, copy it, and go back to n8n and paste it. And if you don't want to do this hard one, just click down execution, and then first clear it up, and then you can see the ID is right here. Just drag and drop it. Okay, here all tags you have to click on fixed and write down curly bracket, customer name, curly bracket, and under it you have to drag and drop the JSON ID and click on add action. You have to add for all of these one by one. Okay, so as you can see, I have completed all of that. Why it's showing red? Because we have to drag and drop the summary first. Now you can see it's great. Now we have just added a download file Google Drive. What it's going to do, download the file. You can either use from ID or URL, but we have just drag and drop the ID from here. So you have to select PDF right here. That's it, nothing else from Google document. And then first hit the document update. So it just download the file like this. Now we're going to add a Slack. Here you have to select the send a message. Now you have to select operation as send and wait for response. You have to go to your Slack, and this is your channel name, and then you can also get the ID of your channel from list here, or you can just search by username. Right now I'm doing with user ID. Here I have to paste the message, and I again generate this by AI. Just paste this, so it's like this. Okay, so you have to go to code node and drag the full email summary right here, drop it right here, and you can see the result. Now you have to select here and click on approve. Click on add option. Here you have to select approve and disapprove, and it automatically set up. And if you execute this, you have to select channel if you want to send this on channel, and let me click on execute, and it's waiting for the response. Let's go to Slack, and you can see we just received a message, thank you for your reaching out, it's the proposal and $5,000. And if I approve this, it will go to send the person Gmail, and if I disapprove, it will just add us into a CRM. So let's just continue, stop this workflow. Now we're going to add a wait node. It's optional, but I'm just adding it for casual. Keep it same. And now we have to add a if node. Select it. Here you have to click on Slack. First we have to execute it and approve, disapprove. Now I'm going to approve this. Approve.
Exactly same for those which we calculate.
Okay, now we're going to approve this, and it's saying approved. Don't worry, it's not gonna open every time. It's just we're testing it. And then this, after 5 seconds of wait, it will show up here like this. You have to go to Slack and you can see it's showing true. You have to paste here true, and if you click on execute, it will go to true. Where we have to add Gmail, you have to add Gmail. Click on send message, and on the false side you have to select Google Sheet or just select append and update row, or you can just select append a row. So you can see both of are showing errors. Just click on Gmail. So we're going to send. So to who, go to form, and no, don't go to form. So go to code and you'll see an email. You have to drag and drop that right here, so it's gonna be dynamic. And as subject, you have to go to code node, and here you see the subject. Just drag and drop, and email body right here. Here you can see it's showing HTML. Just click on text and it's done. And you have to click on append and execution and just turn it off, so it will not showing a message on that this message is sent by n8n. So your Gmail is ready, and you have to click on, either you can make a custom sheet or you can just select. I'm right now selecting this sheet, untitled spreadsheet. Let me go and see what is in it. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet. So go to n8n and then choose the first one. Just click on automatically, and if we hit execute, it will go to there first. So we have to test that. We're going to false and execute this node and execute it. So just showing the approved true because we have not set Google Sheet yet. It's just delivering the approved message only. So for that, you can see, just click on each column, and here we have to update everything. Add a column. So here we're going to, so for that we have to add things. Here we have to write same as in here, customer name, go to sheet, paste it right here, and then email. The text should be same, which is mandatory. Project detail, that's it. So it's done. Go to n8n, and I'll go to the last node. Okay, so it just refreshed. So go to here, just drag and drop everything. Email, project detail, submit, Sonnet. Okay, now if you hit the execution button, now you'll see everything right here. So you just increase this, and you can see just like that. Customer name, n8n, automation, his email, and the project detail and submission is going to be loaded on you. This workflow right here is the difference between playing with AI and actually integrating with AI into a business drive revenue. You can download this exact n8n workflow template using the link in my description and set it up by yourself. But if you are a business owner, an agency, or a B2B SaaS company, and you realize that your team is wasting hundreds of hours manually qualifying leads, writing proposals, and generating invoice, you don't have to build this yourself. My team specialized in building bespoke production-grade AI infrastructure and advanced n8n workflow just like this one. We map our exact business logic into a customer software that runs 24/7. If you want to automate your sales pipeline or operations, click the link in the description. Book a free discovery call with me. We'll look at your system and see exactly where custom AI agent can scale your company. Make sure to hit the subscribe for more advanced n8n builds. See you in the next one.